Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to show you how to download, install, and create a new account on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the world's most popular messaging and calling app where you could send messages and call anyone for free on your mobile device. I'm going to show you how to do it on the iPhone. It's originally built on Android, but it works for both Android and iPhone. I'm just going to jump into the Apple Store and I'm going to look for WhatsApp. Again, this works the same on Android. Go ahead and look for WhatsApp. And then the icon is this green phone icon. So if you see that, it's called WhatsApp Messenger. You could go ahead and get it. You just go ahead and press get on the App Store. Same on Android and Google Play. So I'm just going to download and install the app here. Once you install the app, go ahead and open it up. And it's going to ask to access your contact here. And I'm going to let it do that because I want to connect with people that have WhatsApp. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to allow it to send me notifications. And I'm going to press agree and continue here. And it's just going to ask for my phone number. Again, choose your country here on this drop down. Different countries have different codes, obviously. I'm in the US here. I'm going to choose US and I'm going to type in my number here. And then it's going to send me a text message. I have to type in a 6-digit code, so I'm going to check that message. If you've used this before, it's going to let you restore from iCloud. I haven't used it before here on this phone, so I'm going to skip restore. And now you need to add your name, and you could add a picture if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and add my name, and then you could add a photo. I'm going to choose it from my photos here, and I'm going to press done. So now that your account is set up, it's going to by default be on the chat window. So you could press start messaging here, or on top, you see that blue icon. You could press that and it will pull up your contact list where you could start chatting with people. And this is pulling up all my contacts from my phone. So even if someone doesn't have WhatsApp installed, let me just try someone that I know doesn't have it installed. If I try to message this person, it just creates a message telling that person to get WhatsApp to start using it. So even if they don't have it, it creates this text message for them. If they have it, it will just pop up with their information. Let me choose someone that has it. So if someone has it, it will show up like this, and you could start messaging that person. On top, there is video and phone calls. So if you press those icons, it will change it to video and phone. And if I go back to this chat page again, on the bottom, you have camera, you got call, you got your status where you could change your status, and you got your settings. And it's a really straightforward, simple messaging, video, and call app. So the three things you'll use the most is the chat icon here on the bottom, the camera icon to take pictures, and then the call icon to basically make voice and video calls by tapping the phone plus sign right on top. And then again, you could have your contact list that I shared with WhatsApp. And again, if you look under your contact, the ones that have WhatsApp, it says, hey there, I am using WhatsApp right under their name. So you could video chat or you could call them right from this part of the page. I hope this brief overview of WhatsApp was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.